Let's get started. Let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa! What's going on, man?
So far, so good. I'm out here with you. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Hi, who are you?
Hi, I'm Kelly.
What you doing?
Picking out my outfit. Got a lot of them.
Who are you? What are you doing?
Robbie Powell. I'm gonna be flying some drones into the ground.
He's not joking. All right, so we have these crazy peoples over here. Got some body tape being applied. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
¿Qué pasa, compa?
Rekshimash.
Mushy, mushy. Who are you? What are you doing?
I'm Mark Piesic of Piesic Photography, Adorama Lakebed, Las Vegas.
Who are you? What are you doing?
Hi, I am Devinne, and I am just getting ready to start the shoot.
How many times have you shot?
Oh gosh, a couple hundred, I'm sure.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Check, 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 check. Don't mess up. We're gonna do an intro for YouTube. Ready?
Yeah.
Let me catch my breath. Hold on. That takes a lot of work carrying that light stand.
What are you gonna say? What should I be?
So all you gotta do is like say hello, who you are, you know, the usual. Yeah, the usual.
I'm so bad at talking about myself.
Well, if you are, it's only the world that will potentially see this. So
Well,
don't worry about it.
exactly.
Hello everybody, Brett Seeley here today. We are in the desert of Las Vegas. I'm with my new buddy,
Devinne?
and we are going to do a photo shoot outside. I normally have a lot of lights, but today we're gonna use something a little bit different. I'm squinting. It's because it's sun. It's not because I'm Asian. She's squinting. No, you're actually not squinting.
I'm used to it.
So normally, one thing you have to be worried about when you're outdoors with bright sun, people with lighter colored eyes like hers are very light blue. Normally that causes a lot of tears to start happening. She's weird because she is straight up wide-eyeing it all day long and the sun's right there. I don't know. So because of that, I'm gonna use my strobes. Normally I'd have it on the front side to act as a key, and I'd usually use the sun as an edge. But I wanna flip it up. I'm gonna use my light as an edge light back here. I want to light her with the sun so that way you have full skin color saturation for her. Yeah. What do you think about that?
I like it.
Uh-oh, dust storm. Uh-oh, dust storm.
Well, now they get ass shot.
Anything for the likes. Then. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to use a single light. I've got the 300 Pro behind us with a foldable beauty dish. Let's get started. Let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Yeah, I used to shoot a whole lot. I don't want to say my age, but for a couple years, many years. But now it's been like a year, so I might be a little rusty.
So when someone a quarter of your age mentions something about her being old and not wanting to mention her age. All right, quick test shot. All right, take a step towards me. Good, and selfie side. That's your selfie side? Okay. Oh, I like that, yeah, yeah.
Well, I also dislocated a rib last week.
Oh, that makes me queasy.
I will do my best.
Ouch, were you doing anything fun at least?
Golfing, actually.
How are you gonna break a rib playing golf?
I didn't break a rib, I dislocated it.
She dislocated a rib playing golf. All right, so push all the hair over to that side. Good, ooh, like that, hold it. Hang tight, don't move, don't move. Hold it, hold it. All right, quick test shot, don't move. All right, everybody, so what I'm doing here, I'm gonna set the aperture. ISO 100. As a general default, I wanna go ISO 100 every single time. F-stop, we are at 1.4 because I wanna blur the background. So this is gonna make it easy. All we have to do is adjust the shutter speed. Uh-oh, I can't shoot at 1.4, it's too bright. I need a ND filter. And one more test shot. All right, so I see a little accent from the light. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the modifier off, hang tight. I want belly button a little bit more to the right. I wanna see both sides of glutes. Left foot forward, good. Bring the belly button back to me a tiny bit, just like that, perfect, good. Arch lower back, core tight, perfect. I love this. Make sure the shadow from your left arm doesn't go across your face, good. And then with your right hand, push the hair. I wanna push the hair towards me a little bit, because right now the wind's taking it all that way. Yeah, there you go, good. Chin up a little more. Good, eyes out to the right a little more. Hold it. Drop that left arm down. Ooh, there. Lean back, upper body lean back. Rotate belly button to me a tiny bit. It's gonna be a big twist. Belly button, pop the hip again. Good, right there. Then just your shoulders towards me a little bit. Take the belly button back to the right a tiny bit. Good, now core tight. Good. Eyes look right over my head. Hold it. And then rotate the belly button more to the right, a little more. A little more, right there, right there, right there. Good, drop both hands down. Good, push all the hair behind you. hands on the hip. Work the front straps. Yeah, yeah. Let's go up top like that. Yeah, good. Rotate shoulders. More. Right there, right there. Bring the head back a little more. Good, good. On the hair a little bit crazier. Ooh, that. Good. Instead of lifting up with the fingers, elbow top. There. Gorgeous, love that. I keep hearing people drop stuff.
I know.
Left knee up a little bit more. Love that. Girl, you've done this before. What are you doing trying to make me look bad in front of all the peoples? Rotate, facing me. Now push all the hair. There, that's what I want. When she's looking straight at me, all the hair goes back. All you see is forehead. 5 head.
My sister was called that nice.
We just met today, so I don't recommend calling someone 5 head right when you first meet them, but if 5 head looks at me this way, you see the 6 head. So what you do, you have to turn to the right, so the wind blows hair that way. Hang tight, quick test. I like it. I had the light behind for an edge, but now I'm gonna bring the light more towards the center. Basically, it's gonna be like sandwich lighting. The sun's here. On the other side of the sun, I'm gonna have the other light. Love this, that lean. Hold it, hold. Good, I like it. Good. Turn the face now over left. Good. Chin up a tiny bit more, good. Bring that left hand around towards me a tiny bit more. Good. Work that shoulder. Gorgeous, love. Let's push all the way up off the back. And then just watch your right elbow with the sun. There. Kick that left elbow back towards me a little more. Left elbow. Fitness lift. It's all right. All right, guys, we showed you the behind the scenes. We saw a couple different scenarios. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment area. We'll see you next video.